Jody here with Green Goo, and I'm excited to introduce to you Green Goo Free to Breathe. So it's cold and flu season, although this is also great for allergy season. And I think a lot of you are probably familiar with like a Vicks Vapor Rub. And so it's a airway opener that you use to put on your chest to help open up your lungs and breathe better during cold season. What I like about the Green Goo Free to Breathe is, well, one, it's 100% plant-based with eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender, calendula flowers, even some antiviral herbs, rosemary. And so not only is this going to help open up your airway and help you breathe better, but it has sleep properties to it. So there's this Ayurvedic practice that recommends putting a vapor rub underneath your feet at night to help you sleep better. And so this is something that I do every night before I go to bed. I put on the Free to Breathe with or without cold season. And not only are my feet really soft, which is fantastic, but I'm also sleeping better every night. So it's a cold and flu hack, but it's also a sleep hack and soft feet hack. So Green Goo Free to Breathe. Enjoy. Spread goodness. See you next time.